Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your identity with Robinhood detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your identity with Robinhood, start by opening the Robinhood app on your device. If you're not already logged in, enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the account menu, look for Settings and select it. Scroll down until you find the Accounts section. Tap on Verify Your Identity. You will be prompted to enter personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and address. Ensure that the information you enter matches the details on your government-issued ID. After entering your personal information, proceed to the next step to upload your identification. You can choose to upload a driver's license, passport, or state ID. Make sure the image of your ID is clear and all text is readable. After uploading your ID, tap Continue to proceed. Robinhood may require additional verification through a selfie. Follow the on-screen instructions to take a selfie. Ensure that your face is well lit and that you're looking straight at the camera. Once you've taken the selfie, submit it for review. The verification process may take a few minutes or longer depending on various factors. You will receive a notification once your identity has been verified. If there are any issues, Robinhood will inform you through the app or via email. Once verified, you can start trading and exploring all that Robinhood offers. Make sure to keep your personal information secure throughout the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.